When I sent out my first ever cold email 10 years ago, there's a few things I wish I knew back then that would have saved me a lot of time and would have also probably helped me close a lot more deals. In this video, I want to share with you my 5 best tips that not only helped me, but especially can help you get tangible results with cold emails. Number 1, know who you target. It's easier said than done. This is about understanding precisely who your target prospects are so you can personalize your message to them. My advice is to understand one simple question. What is your target prospect looking to achieve? If on your list there are too many prospects with various expected outcomes, I highly recommend you to separate them so you can create a message for each group. For instance, are you talking to business owners who are struggling to close sales, or are you talking to business owners who are struggling to hire? These are not the same. Differentiate these in order to focus on those with whom you have a high chance to work with, regardless of who your target is, of course. Number 2, the subject line. It is the first text that your prospects will see. Use it to your advantage. The subject line is not a title of a newspaper or a blog article or else. It is a line you can use to convey a message. If you're looking to meet with someone, instead of saying company name, service, presentation, ask meet next week, first name. If you're looking to invite someone to an event, instead of titling your email with the name of your event, ask are you joining, first name, question mark. Rule of thumb, convey a simple message that relates to your call to action. Number 3, you don't sell on cold emails. B2B buyers require more than just one touch point to take a decision. And that's especially true when solicited by an unknown person. Use cold emails to build a relationship. Cold emails are just one step in your funnel. They are top of the funnel, not the finish line. Number 4, don't ask more than one question. When I started sending cold emails, I used to ask 3 or 4 questions in the same email. From the how are you doing to does your company do this or that, or is your company facing this and that challenge, all in one email. Unfortunately, the more questions you ask, the more friction you create, and so the lower chances to get a reply. My advice, stick to one question, which should be your call to action. And lastly, number 5, keep your emails short. If you're cold emailing someone, you're probably not the only one doing so. This means that the attention span you're playing with is tiny, if not already inexistent. Do yourself and your prospects a favor and keep it short. My advice, 80 words maximum. And you can use a site like wordcounter.net or your Google Docs word count to help. That's it. These are 5 simple tips that can make a huge difference in your cold emailing strategy if you apply them consistently. Let me know in the comment section what else you do that can help also others to succeed with their cold emails. Over to you now.